Welcome to a crucial module on building reliable software, unit testing. Writing tests is the backbone of professional programming, ensuring that your code works as intended, remains functional as you make changes, and simplifies the debugging process. We will be focusing on Python's built-in unittest module. 1. What is a unit test? In programming, a unit is the smallest testable piece of code, usually a function or a method. A unit test is a written block of code that checks if a specific unit of your application is working correctly, isolated from the rest of the system. 2. Why do we write tests? The primary reason is verification and regression prevention. Verification means confirming your code meets its requirements. Regression prevention is critical. If you change one part of the code, a robust test suite immediately tells you if that change broke functionality elsewhere, saving countless hours of manual debugging. It is the safety net for refactoring. 3. The Python unittest framework. Python's standard library includes the unittest framework, which is inspired by JUnit. All tests are organized into classes that inherit from unittest.testcase. Each test method within the class must begin with the word test underscore. Inside these methods, you use assertion methods like assert equal to verify that an expected result matches the actual result. To summarize, testing is essential. Now let's write our first test. Our next lecture 34.02. Create and run a test. See you there.